In last topic, we discussed the direct effects model, and now we are going to discuss conditional effects model. This model emphasizes on the audience and is based on notions of selectivity. According to this model, the audience has the power to avoid exposure and reject influence. ये मॉडल ये कहता है कि जो ऑडियंस है दे आर नॉट पैसिव यूजर्स, दे कैन choose what they want to watch and what they want to hear, or on the basis of their selection they can make the decisions. When media effects occur, they are certainly not uniform. And moreover, when we talk about the conditional effects model, this model says that the effects that emerges among the masses due to the media content are not uniform. They may be different for the different social group, and they may be different for the different genders. Different people may be affected quite differently by the same media content. We can say that when we talk about the media content, it is quite possible that media content may have different kind of effect on the basis of age groups, or on the basis of gender, or on the basis of social economic class. This model is called conditional because when effects do occur, they are conditional on some attribute of the audience. For example, learning from the news might be conditional on the reasons the viewer is watching. आप इसको ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं कि जब एक ऑडियंस जो है, जब वो कोई भी प्रोग्राम वॉच करती है, फॉर एग्जांपल वो अगर न्यूज़ ही देख रही है, तो उसको जो है देखने वालों की अपनी एक बैकग्राउंड है, और वो उस बैकग्राउंड के अकॉर्डिंग ही उस न्यूज़ को समझेंगे या उस न्यूज़ को एनालाइज करेंगे। अगर एक शख्स इस पर्पस से न्यूज़ देख रहा है कि उसने इससे कुछ सीखना है, तो डेफिनेटली वो उस न्यूज़ से कुछ ना कुछ सीखेगा। और अगर कोई पर्सन सिर्फ न्यूज़ इसलिए देख रहा है कि दे हैव नथिंग टू वॉच, तो वो सिर्फ उसको एज अ बोर्डम ही लेगा। Important variables in conditional effects model. As we are saying that according to the conditional effects model, the effects created by the media content may be different for the different social group. Therefore, we can say that gender, age, socioeconomic status, ethnicity, education level, and geographical location of the audience uh, play a significant role in creating effect among the masses. And second, a variable which is very important in order to understand media effects is the social relationship. What kind of social relationship audience have between them, and what how do they watch the televisions, and individual differences as well. What is the level of media literacy? How do they analyze the media content, and what kind of capacity they have to analyze the media content? All these things contribute when we talk about the media effects on the people.